Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Magkakaroon ng podcast ang ating The King of P-Pop SB19 this month, February 26. Malapit na po yan. Ang pamagat, ang title ng podcast ay Walang Kwentang Podcast this month. Pero sold out na in just 5 seconds. 5 segundo lamang, yes, sold out na ang ticket para sa Walang Kwentang Podcast with SB19. Hay nako, sigurado, ito'y i-bash na naman. Ay, mura lang yan, 500 to 600 ang ticket. Hindi pinag-uusapan ang presyo o pera. Ang mahalaga, gaano kabilis naging sold out ang ticket ng podcast na yon. 5 segundo, sold out na agad. Patunay lamang na maraming supporters at 18 mga fans ang SB19. Talagang ang bilis. Again, 5 segundo. 5 seconds lamang, sold out na ang ticket. Congratulations SB19 at maraming salamat 18. Meanwhile, ang update natin ay 1.4 million views na ang music video ng Visa with SB19 sa YouTube. Keep on streaming, keep on viewing 18 at maraming salamat.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.